Hi, this is Dr. Naipal from Bella Medical Aesthetics. Today, I want to talk about the new machine and the new laser facial that we have acquired, known as Ultra Glow. It is a beautiful laser treatment, very different from what everybody gets. A little bit of skin approval when they do even the laser hair removal, because essentially it is a laser treatment. But this is a much deeper laser treatment. The heat goes down to the dermis and heats that up, and that's how they create a little injury, and that triggers the collagen production. Now, collagen is a very important protein in the skin, which is responsible for youthful appearance of the skin. What it will do is the dermis is heated, but the outer layer is still absolutely intact. Because of the wave that they are using and how deep it goes, it is much more productive in giving you a better facial or skin improvement. So it's a controlled heat. So you're not really causing any kind of disfigurement, because that is important, that in creating injury, we don't really create any problems. Very controlled heat to the extent of damaging dermis and causing the collagen production. It targets fine lines. That's a challenge because it's all over your face. So that really helps. And then it breaks up the pigmented lesions, and also can break up the clusters of pigment that is in the melasma. So it helps the pigmented lesions, which are like age spots, sunspots, and then the melasma also. As you know, melasma cannot be completely cured. It has to be maintained, and it has to be done gently. So the energy is determined by what we are trying to target, how many passes we do, but the result is absolutely beautiful. Now, everybody wants to know whether it is tolerable or not. I like to numb people for 30 to 40 minutes before a nice strong cream, and I know that I can give you a very good treatment at that time. After the treatment is done, you just feel warm, like pretty warm. And I give actually ice packs to people. It is not painful, but it feels warm. And you can see the results the next day itself. It is beautiful. But to complete the process of collagen remodeling, which gives you firmness and elasticity and the bounce in the skin. Like old skin, it just stays up. But the bounce in the skin, you need to do at least 3 treatments. Of course, you can follow. Depends on your age, depends what the problem is. You may need more treatment. Now, with melasma, you cannot put too much energy. So you need more treatments at a lower energy, okay? It's better not to injure yourself, to hurry up the process. So this is much better that way. And you will see beautiful results, but make sure you get the number of treatments as we determine with your progress. But 3 is the minimum that you need, okay? I would really be excited to show everything. We have a little event on the 30th. Thank you so much for giving me some time of your evening. Thank you.